So here we have last 14 years of Samsung Galaxy S series flagship, and we have come a long way, that is for sure. Hey guys, and a massive news coming in. This could be our first look at the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So yes, can be seen the pill-shaped hole is now gone and we have a single circular hole for selfie shooter. Yeah, it is not a small hole like there in Samsung or Xiaomi, but it's definitely smaller than the pill-shaped notch of iPhone 14 and 15. So according to Apple Track, the Face ID is now under the screen. Yeah, I guess they found a method to scan Face ID even if there are some pixels on top, and in the future I am sure Apple is gonna go notchless and hole-less, giving a full screen experience. Now according to Ming Chi Kuo and Ross Young, we may see dynamic dot in the iPhone 17 and not in the iPhone 16. So most likely Apple is still deciding which design to go for. It is highly possible the iPhone 16 is still coming with a dynamic island and they'll save the small hole for the iPhone 17. So yes guys, this is how the iPhone 16 Pro may look. Is coming at 6.3 inch and 6.9 inch display size. We still have those live activity style notifications and all. Then there is a new capture button to shoot photos and videos. The shocking part is we may see touch, sensitive volume keys, action and power buttons. So it is gonna behave something similar to Touch ID. And finally we'll have a much larger battery size. Some news coming in from Ming Chi Kuo. The small iPhone 16 Pro is coming with a periscope camera as well, and with the iPhone 17 we may see a 24 megapixel selfie shooter. This is how the iPhone 16 is gonna look, and yes guys, there are some massive changes in there. So Apple is ditching the diagonal camera layout and going with a single massive vertical camera module in the iPhone 16, something similar to the Xiaomi 11 and Xiaomi 11X. Second huge change is the alert slider is now gone and we may see 15 Pro exclusive action button in the regular iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus. With the action button, a single long press can act as a mute switch or translate or flashlight, and there are so many options you can pick from.
Don't worry, it can still silence your phone, but now you can assign it new functions or customize it to do almost anything you want, like launch camera, turn on flashlight, or record a voice memo.
Now the shocking part is Apple is planning to add another button for capturing photos and videos in the iPhone 16 series. So you might see not just 2 or 3 but 4 physical buttons in the iPhone 16 series, that is power, volume, action and a capture button. The iPhone 16 is gonna have A18 chipset inside, which is likely a rename. A17 Pro is very powerful and power efficient and is gonna support AAA games as well. This video is sponsored by Aura. Have you ever searched for yourself online and found personal information on unknown sites? Or are you tired of getting unwanted calls? Or do you want safe online gaming experience for your kids? Well, Aura got a solution for you. So you guys might have heard data breaches are on the rise and your personal information might be at risk. Scary, right? So Aura's security app ensures your family is safe from scams and fraud. It monitors your account for suspicious activity and even remove personal information from data brokers, delete old account, and can even clean up your online presence. So personally speaking, Aura is more than just a sponsor. It's a digital hero advocating for your family's safety and secure gaming. The best part is by partnering with Kidas, Aura ensures a safe gaming experience for your kids. Kidas uses AI to detect cyberbullying, predator and toxic situation in popular games. That is something you might wanna use to make sure your kids are enjoying the game and not falling for any scam or something. So yes guys, it is a must-use application. You guys can try Aura for 14 days free. You'll love it, I'm sure. Use my link in the description box and stay safe online using Aura. So summing up, the iPhone 16 Pro is coming with a large screen size. There's gonna be new capture button, amazing set of cameras, and yes, all powered with A18 Pro based on 3nm process.
This isn't just an upgrade, it's a breakthrough.
Some news coming in from China. The Apple Vision Pro headset will launch on January 26 in the US and will start shipping in Feb. Not sure about this news, but yeah, it is coming in Jan or Feb. It's all guys, thanks so much for watching. Your thoughts in the comment section below. Like, subscribe and make sure to join our channel membership for some exciting wallpapers. And I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.